हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज का प्रॉब्लम है यू नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय ऑल ऑफ दिस इक्वेशंस, राइट। ये एक कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री का प्रॉब्लम है. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, दिस इज प्रीटी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम. This problem was also asked in JEE Advanced 2021. So let's try to solve it. So first of all, in this kind of problems, what we do? First of all, but it says area of the region represented by all of this. So what you need to do is separately find out the areas represented by this equation, this equation, this equation, this equation, and whatever is the common area which is between all these four, that is what you have to find it out, right? So let's now focus on one by one each equation. So first equation is what? It says 0 greater than x less than equal to 9 by 4, right? Which means x, the value of x will be always greater than 0, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 9 by 4. So let's say this is your coordinates, and this was 1, this was 2, this was 3, right? This is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, and this is your x axis, and this is your y axis. This is y is 1, y is equal to 3, this is y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3, this is x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3, right? Now in this equation says 0 greater than x less than 9 by 4. So what is the reason where x is greater than 0 but less than equal to 9 by 4? So first of all, like when is x is equal to 9 by 4? It will be 9 by 4 is what? Is equal to 2.25. So somewhere here, right, between 2 and 3, your x is equal to 9 by 4. Let's draw this. So at this point your x is equal to 9 by 4. At this point your x is equal to 0. So this line is represented by x is equal to 0. Means at all the points on this line x is equal to 0, all the points on this line x is equal to 9 by 4. Right? So 0 greater than x less than equal to 9 by 4. So all of this area, right? You see, this area will be represented by 0 greater than x less than equal to 9 by 4. Because if you look at the values of x between this to this, right, satisfies your equation 0 greater than x less than equal to 9 by 4. Okay, so you get the area represented by the first equation. Now let's look at the second equation, right? What does the second equation say? Is 0 greater than y less than equal to 1, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3, y1, y2, y3. What it says? 0 greater than y less than equal to 1, right? This is where your y is equal to 1, right? And if you see clearly, which is the area where y is greater than 0 but less than 1, right? This will be the area where y is greater than 0 but less than equal to 1, right? Now so you get two areas. Now your third one is x greater than equal to 3y, x plus y greater than equal, so third one is x greater than equal to 3y, right? 2, 3, 1, this is your y axis, this is your x axis minus values, this is your y axis minus values. Now what does the equation says? X greater than equal to 3y. So the x is greater than equal to 3y, right? So you can also represent it as x minus 3y greater than equal to 0. So basically you have to find the area which represents x minus 3y greater than equal to 0, right? How do we find this area? This is typically, first let's solve for what is represented by x minus 3y is equal to 0, right? So what are the coordinates? How do you find x minus 3y is equal to 0? What will be the line? Let's put x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 in this equation, then y also becomes 0. Let's put x is equal to 1, in this case y becomes 1 by 3, right? So you see these 2 points satisfy this equation x minus 3y is equal to 0, correct? So what is the line that will represent x minus 3y is equal to 0? Let's put, this is your 0 comma 0, and this is xy, y is equal to 1 by 3. So at this point, right, x is equal to 1. So let's see. So you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 3. At this point, your y will be 1 by something like that, right? 1 by 3. So you draw a straight line like this. This will be x minus 3y is equal to 0, right? But you have to find x minus 3y greater than 0, right? So how do you find the area which is x minus 3y greater than 0? So basically this line is where x minus 3y is equal to 0. So this portion or this portion will be your x minus 3y greater than equal to 0, right? So how do you find which one of them is x minus 3y greater than 0? So one simple test is like, you take one point from this region, put in this equation, and when you feel that hey, this has been satisfied, this condition is satisfied, which means the point is in this, and this is satisfied, then your x minus 3y greater than 0 is this portion. If it is not satisfied, which means the area is the opposite one, right? So for example, what we can take point from this area, what are the points we can take? One is 2 comma 0, right? X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 0, right? So let's put in this value in your equation, x minus 3y, right? X minus 3y, you put x is equal to 2, right? Minus 3, y is equal to 0, right? The value remains 2, and that is greater than 0, right? Which means this point satisfies your equation x greater than equal to 3y or x minus 3y greater than 0, which means all of this area is satisfied by your equation x minus 3y greater than equal to 0, right? Now we have one more left, which is x plus y greater than equal to 2, right? How do you find that? I don't have much space, so let me grab this, right? And we'll do the fourth one. So what does it say? X plus y greater than equal to 2, which means x plus y minus 2 greater than equal to 0, right? This is x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2, and y is equal to minus 3, right? Now first, remember what we need to do? You need to find the line which represent this equation x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. How do we do? Remember, let's assume x is equal to 0. At that point, what was the value of y? Y will be, we put x is equal to 0 in this, y will be y minus 2 is equal to y is equal to 2, right? So one point you will get that satisfies this equation is 0 comma 2. Do reverse it, right? Now put y is equal to 0 and find x is equal to 2. The second point is equal to 2 comma 0, right? So you have one point here, you have one point to here. So what is the line? So if you join both of this, your line will be, straight line is x minus 2, y minus 2 is equal to 0, Now you have to find out which portion. There is two portion, one this and the other one this one. Which one satisfies the equation x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So remember how did I solve this, right? Take one point from this area which is 0, 0, put this in this equation x plus y minus 2, right? So if you put x plus y minus 2 and put 0, 0, value is minus 2, right? Correct? Right? Is minus 2 greater than equal to 0? Is minus 2 greater than equal to 0? No, right? Which means, right, this is not the area which satisfies the equation x plus y minus 2 greater than 0. So this is the area which will satisfy where x plus y minus 2 greater than equal to 0. Okay? So now remember, and then let me erase this portion. So now I will also, the second equation was y is equal to 1. Remember, this was your second equation. So this was y1, 2, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. But this was the area which was satisfying your equation 0 greater than y less than equal to 1. So when you have four areas represented by this is represented by this equation, this is represented by this equation, it's represented by this equation, x greater than equal to 3y, right, this one, and x plus y greater than 2 is represented by this, right. Now if you superimpose एक दूसरे पे, if you put all of this, right, then you find what is the common area between this one and this one. That common area you have to find. So let me erase all of this, and then I will show you how does this entire thing will look like when we have one coordinate graph, right? So hope you can recall all of this, right? So I am just erasing all of this. Also, because you saw that the common areas were, so this is where I will focus on, right? So your y was 1 here, y was 2 here, right? Correct? Your x was 1 here, x was 2 here, x is equal to 3 here, right? Then you had x, let's assume x is equal to minus 1 here, x is equal to minus 2 here, x is equal to y is equal to minus 1 here, y is equal to minus 2 here, y is equal to minus 3 here, right? So how we find the common area? Remember, let me do this. This was your first equation, right, where the areas were like this. Remember? Then one other you got x is equal to 9 at x is equal to 9 by 4. This was the other line, and so this was all the equation. So what is common between this one and this one? This is the area. This is common between this one, right? Remember, we had a third equation as well. The third equation was passing this x greater than 3y. This was passing through this line, right? And remember, when x is equal to was 1, y was equal to 1 by 3. So it's something like 1 by 3, and it was like this, going like this, right? Now, so now what is the common area? This will be the only common area. Now remember, you had a fourth line also. The fourth line was x plus y greater than equal to 2, and remember that was passing like this, right? And we saw that the area represented by this line was this, right? So basically the final area which is common between your this one and this line, like this portion, right? Like this was this portion. All of this is this area, right? I know this has gotten a little messed up, so I will clear it out so that you will be able to find the area clearly. And as you can see, there is nothing in the minus portion, no common area, so I will also not bothered about putting minus on the graph. We will all focus on the first quadrant, that the positive values, right? So let me erase this and clear this and create a graph which can easily represent this area. So now I have actually redrawn all the lines that was in the previous video. You can see that. So what are those four equations that we have drawn on this, right? Like merged all of them. First one was x is equal to, right? X is 0 to greater than x less than equal to 9 by 4. So x is 0 to 9 by 4. This was the area. This entire area was this. Then your y was 0 to greater than y greater than 0 less than 1. This entire area was your y. And then x greater than 3y. This is the equation or line which represents x minus 3y is equal to 0, right? And this below portion was the one which was making x greater than 3y, and then second last equation is x plus y greater than equal to 2. So this is the equation which represents x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, right? And everything on this side is by x minus y, x plus y greater than equal to 2. So finally this is the area for which you have to find the this is the region for which you have to find the area, because this is the region which is enclosed by which satisfies and enclosed by all of these equations, right? So now this I have marked A, B, C, D to represent all of this, and this is a quadrilateral, right? A, B, C, D, right? How do you find area of a quadrilateral, right? So let's do this point. Let's first divide this bit of this. So let me first divide this into two triangles, right? One is ABC and the second one is ACD, right? Also I will erase this whole area. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD, correct? Okay, so first let's find the area of triangle ABC. This is what? How do you find the area of triangle? This is half into base into height. Let's draw a perpendicular from here to here, and let's mark it as O, right? So the area of triangle ABC is equal to half into AO into height, which is BC, right? Now what is the length of BC? BC is easy, right? If you find the coordinates A, B, C, D, you will be able to easily find what is BC. It is AO and all. Let me tell you what are these coordinates. A. Let's start with A, right? What is A, right? So A is basically intersecting both, is the intersection point of this line x plus y minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus ty is equal to 0. So if you solve both of these equations, you will get A is equal to what? So here x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3y is equal to 0. Right? Solve both of them, right? Use substitution method. So x is equal to 3y. Now plus 3y in this equation, then it becomes 3y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So the y is equal to half. And place y is equal to half in this equation, you will get x is equal to 3 by 2. Right? So your a is 3 by 2 comma half. Right? We erase all of this. What is your b? So a is 3 by 2 comma half. What is your b? Right? At b, you see b is on the line x is equal to 9 by 4. So b at x will be 9 by 4, correct? So when x is 9 by 4, again b is also on the line x minus 3y is equal to 0, right? X minus 3y is equal to 0. So if you put the value x in this, 9 by 4 minus 3y is equal to 0, right? 9 by 4 is equal to 3y, y is equal to 3 by 4, right? So now b becomes 9 by 4 comma 3 by 4. What is c? Okay, at c, x is equal to 9 by 4 and y is 0, correct? At d, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0, right? So now you have got coordinates of a, b, c, d. Okay, so what is the area of triangle ABC? It is half into base into height, which is for this ABC, right? What is the base? Base is BC, right? And what is the height? This is the perpendicular on BC, which is AO. This is AO. So if you get the value of AO and BC, you will be able to find the area, right? What is the value of BC, right? This line. Right? At this line, your y is 3 by 4. At this point, point B, y is 3 by 4, and point C, y is 0. So this becomes 3 by 4 minus 0. What is AO? Length of AO. At A, your x was 3 by 2, right? And at O, the x is 9 by 4. So it should be 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2. This is half into 3 by 4 into, right? If you do this, also is 3 by 4. This becomes 9 by 32. So area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 by 32. Right? Let me erase this. So now what's the area of triangle ACD? Same, it is also half into base into height. So this is your ACD, this portion is your ACD, right? So in this case, if you drop a perpendicular on x-axis, right, this is point P, right? So what is the area of this portion? This is half into this AP into the base, which is CD, right? Half into base is your CD into height is AP. What is the value of CD? CD at point C, your x is equal to 9 by 4. X is equal to 9 by 4 minus at point D, x is equal to 2. That is the length. And what is the height of AB? AP. At A, the y is half, and P, y is 0, is half minus 0. This is half into 9 by 4 minus 2, which is again 1 by 4, and this is also 1 by 2. This becomes 1 by 16. Okay, so area of triangle ACD is 1 by 16. So we will put it here, area of triangle ACD is equal to 1 by 16. Let me erase top portion. Right. So now what is the area of quadrilateral ABCD, then entire portion. If you sum ABC and ACD, then you get the area of this. Right? This is 9 by 32 plus 1 by 16. Right? This is the area of quadrilateral ABCD.